This question is checking to see how much we understand about databases and SQL or SQL. Some people pronounce it one way, some people the other. So 8b part I, we've got some incomplete SQL here. And if we ran this just by itself, you could do, it would show all of the class IDs from the table class. So we've got a database here with two tables that are linked together. We've got details about some classes and details about some teachers who teach those classes. If we just ran this SQL query on its own, it would search through all of the class table and it would just show the class IDs. So it would show red 7, blue 7, yellow 7, all the way down to comp B10. So it would show 8 different results. So the question is asking us to narrow that search down, so query means search, so that we only show the class IDs, like we've got already, but only showing the records where that class is taught on a Monday or a Wednesday. So we're only interested in this one, and this one, because these are the only classes that are taught on either a Monday or a Wednesday. So we need to write a where clause, and that means how do we narrow down the SQL query? So what do we write after this bit here to narrow it down to just show these three results? So let's have a look. We've got a number of different options. One of these is right, so one mark up for grabs. The right answer is this one here. It says where day taught is Monday or day taught is Wednesday. That means only show fields where the day taught field is Monday or the day taught field is Wednesday. So this one is wrong because the day taught field holds a string data type, a text data type. So what we're searching for needs to be surrounded by quotation marks, single quotes. So this one is wrong because when you're checking for a value or checking for something, checking to see if something's true or not, you need to be really explicit with what you're checking for. So day taught is Monday is fine, but we're not saying what is Wednesday. And the database isn't clever enough to realise that you're still checking to see if day taught is Wednesday. So we've said this one is correct. This one is wrong because it's trying to search for the class IDs where the day taught is both Monday and the day taught is Wednesday, and that's impossible in this table. So if this doesn't make sense to you, then I strongly recommend that you have a look at this Introduction to SQL playlist. There should be a link on the YouTube description, and have a look at both the introduction video and the first two. This one is simple searching, and the next video is searching across multiple tables.